This is for Mike Martin. He wanted to see what the cleared roads look like. This is one of the main roads on the way home from the post office that's cleared. And we're going to turn on to the other one, the highway, M21. It's been cleared. So now here's what M21 when it's cleared looks like after the snowstorm. And then we'll turn onto our road and show him what that looks like when it's cleared. So here's Deuce Road, which goes to our road, and it's clear. So they're all about the same. You just gotta know how to drive.
You can go as long as I want. I'm not worried.
What's that?
So I can keep it going. I don't care. I'm gonna edit it anyway.
Oh. So then this is some of the drifts and how they've been cleared. Right here, this field empties onto the road, and there's always a big drift right here to the left. A little bit more snow to push here. There's really cool drifts because the field was plowed, and so it's a little rougher, and so the drifts are kind of like sand dunes, and they're right over here on the left. And then our neighbor pushes his snow instead of blowing it. So he kind of creates his own drifts because he pushes it up so high. And so his isn't near as nice as what ours ends up, because we blow our snow to him. So here's our driveway, and it's got some drifts in it now. Our pine trees have more drifting because they stop the snow. But our driveway, you can see it drifts over a little bit.